Sandra Ananda Visheshatma. Then the other one is Sri Krishna Karshani. Sri Krishna Sankarshani. These are the gunas. There's sadgunas. In sadhana bhakti there's two, and in bhava bhakti there's two, and prema bhakti. So this is prema bhakti. Sandrananda Visheshatma. The Atma, the soul, the Atma experiences a very extraordinary, Vishesh, type of concentrated love. Sandra Anand, that concentrated bliss of prema, inconceivable bliss at the level of prema bhakti. Then Sri Krishna Sankarshani, that this prema is so Vishesh, so unique and special that it pulls Krishna, and it Radha, and all the parishads. And it pulls him into the lila Sankarshan. Because if it's pulling Krishna, Krishna's with his parishads. Not only Krishna, Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna Sankarshani means Sri is Shakti, and Krishna is Purushottam. So it's pulling all the Shaktis and Krishna. So the Ashtasakis and all the Sakis, all the Shaktis of Krishna are being pulled, and we're being pulled to them. Prema. Krishna is controlled by prema. Prema brings us into the lila. Lila pravesh means prema.